Hit him with that. Yeah. I've been trapping in my room trying to make that Grammys. This wasn't made for the beans, this for the Camrys, yeah. We got what everybody wants, they just gotta get on the wave. So we hit them with that.
Alright guys, so I just got done putting the car in the garage, and as far as the parts that are going to fix the back area of this car, I got everything on the parts car, so I'm not gonna need to order anything for the back area. But for the front end area, I'm gonna need to order a new bumper and a radiator, because the one that came off this car and the parts car, they were both not usable. So next video, I'm going to mount the car on the frame machine, and then so yeah, I'll see you guys next time when the snow is all melted off the car and we can start cutting the quarter panel. I'm gonna show you guys the damage on the car next video, because it's too dark in here right now.
Shaded up with this bucket hat. Too many girls out here. Tell my dad I might not be coming back. Back home they all ride the wave of what everybody else say, while I'm actually out on this surfboard and I'm actually getting these rays. I know a chick in the bay, she always laughing when I say hella cool. She tell me be yourself and don't let the foreignness get to you, but it's hard to concentrate when those lips moving, those eyes looking, that wife beating, my hands touching, neck kissing, now I'm blushing. Okay, anyway, I always had a thing about Compton chicks, but this young East white rapper shit, they not onto this. That's what I heard, that was in the burbs. What do the birds back home know about Long Beach, San Diego? They snooted, girl, you're in El Fuego. Don't laugh at me if that wasn't right. Yeah, Mike, I don't think that shit was I might move here, this shit fucking nice. I got too many girls chilling in the back seat. I got too many girls chilling in the back seat, and we bounce. We do that.
Hey, you don't need dog, I like them Orange County girls, nigga. The fat butts, the best. Hey, okay, got Cali bitches in my kitchen.
Alright, what's going on guys? So today I'm going to drill out all the spot welds, and then I'm going to I might get time to cut the whole thing out today, but I might not get time because it's 7. Let me see if I can show you guys. It's 7:02 and it's 28 degrees outside right now. It's pretty cold. I mean, I'm indoor right now, but it's still a little cold. So I'm gonna try to get as much done as I can today, and then I'll finish the rest on Monday. I gotta take off the impact bar. It's still usable for the most part because it's only damaged right there. Actually, alright guys, so the Infiniti is all mounted on the frame machine. So next, I'm going to strip everything off the trunk inside. Everything is gonna come off. I already got the back glass off the car, and then once I'm done with that, I'm going to pull this area with the frame machine, and I'll start cutting the quarter panel today. It's actually my first time ever doing a quarter panel, like cutting everything. So it's gonna be a fun experience trying this out for the first time.
These the nights that we work for. These type of nights kept us praying. These the nights that we grind for. Now look, mama, we made it, ayy. In the Uber, I'm faded. Got my feet kicked up, it's real spacious. Got his camo on me, that's babe shit. Someone switched up on me on some fake shit. I rock them Tommy boxes when I'm feeling basic. Seeing green digits like I'm in the Matrix.
Pills red or blue, shawty pick your poison, she know she fuck me.
Alright guys, so I got all the plastic trims, pieces and everything removed off the car, and then back seats, everything is off the car except for this thing. I'm going to cover it. Now I'm going to pull the frame, pull this whole area, and then I'm going to start drilling the spot welds. And again, everything that I'm doing here, it's my first time doing all this stuff here. Most of my cars that I bought in the past were front end damage only. So let's see how this turns out.
With it. Yeah, I didn't get it, but I'm out that vision. Lil Yachty when it comes to trying to get your digits. Only one night in it. Roll that dope, get right in it. She go, like Mike with it.
And she brought a friend Mike Dyke with it. Ayy, no Netflix and chillin', just sexing and pillin', no texting or catching them feelings. Nah, just everyday flexing on weekends. We jetting for stretching, we racing the millions.
Vroom, anyone crossing us, cross them up. We got the answer, you looking like Jordan, crying face. They like us way out of cyberspace. Crazy like women that Kyrie dates.
I'm sorry Kalani, but I need Punani that's wet like tsunami, slow hot like wasabi.
Woking wasabi, big ballin' my hobby. Leave phones in the lobby.
This here private party.
We need really big brains. We need really big chains. Let it bang.
And like them boys from the Bay, I'm Curry, he Clay. We splashing all day, don't get lost in this wave. Who you know spit flows better. And I show some that look like they Coachella. Cause all my homies be some go-getters. But some say I changed, what the fuck did they think? I ain't work like a slave for an outcome.
If we do a show, it's like a Woodstock in your city. Yeah, we do this for the love of music, alcohol and titties. But I can't have no wife taking pictures with all my people in the back, man, they love that shit.
Alright guys, so I'm not sure if you guys can see the gap here, but it's getting much better. The door is not touching anymore, so it's not touching, but the gap is a little bit off. Let me put on my flashlight, I'll show you guys closer. Yeah, you can't really see it on camera, but this gap here is not the same right there. So I'm gonna pull out a few more times back here. I'm gonna pull a few more times back here, and then hopefully I can straighten all this out and start drilling and cutting off the quarter panel and spot welds.
I was cruising down on, I think I might just need that. Look, I was cruising down on Abbey Street, feeling like an athlete, playing Weezy, baby, dedication to some masterpiece. Might need to get that bag of weed. Been thinking crazy, I don't know my purpose anymore, but I am lately. But I know that it ain't about women, and I know that it ain't about winning. And it's probably cause I've been getting energy back from what I've been giving. That's what I heard can happen. I should resort to rapping instead of putting suicidal thoughts on this napkin. You can hide so many problems in a photograph. Every year I promised I would make it seem to overlap.